GM guys, so this is a short recap on trade that I took on Friday. So that being said, I target second week of December. I took a couple of trades, but I want to start with the ones that I took on Friday, which is the most recent ones. So this red line I marked out is actually a fair value gap, the low of a fair value gap, and price has already pushed inside it, so it's now serving as a higher time frame key level. So everything that I want to be doing will be anchored inside it. So I want to drop on a lower time frame and see what's going on. So now on a 4 hour time frame, this is what transpired. Price displaced above and then dropped lower, causing a market structure shift. That was actually a market structure shift. So we have a couple of up close candle. If you have to go on a lower time frame, you need to see it. So a couple of up close candle that tagged the fair value gap low and then dropped lower. So moving on a lower time frame, you could see it. We have a high and then price dropped and then created another fair value gap, but then again price is already using the higher time frame key level, right? So price has already tagged that key level. So what I'm looking for is something to get in sync with the trend and then drop lower, right? So and US 30, I was actually on US 30 anticipating a drop lower on US 30 selling, but I wasn't sure given that I don't have what to key level to be trading from, right? So I was actually selling it then, but I got stopped at before dropping. So then I had to move to Nasdaq. So if you look at this Nasdaq already, Nasdaq has a lot of key levels where I want to be trading from. So we have like the midnight open, we have our daily high. Let me check it out. So checking the daily high. So daily high formed during Asia section and Asia section and the London section. So I'm expecting price to drop lower to so Friday was basically a continuation day, right? Friday is just serving as a continuation, dropping lower from the key level that is already existing. So that's actually it. So we have the fair value gap. So this fair value gap is serving as another key level that I'm going to be using, right? So then price displaced and then waiting for my 9:30 because I'm not going to do anything until 9:30. So then 9:30 gave me what I needed, right? So then I had to I know that price is going to then drop. So we had a nice run and then nice run on the opposing side, and then price tends to drop, and then we had our 830. 830 was actually aligned. So more like 830 gave us that short time high that we needed inside that fair value gap, and then price dropped. So I'll then take my entry from the next candle, and which was actually what I did. Then I took my entry from that next candle, targeting 1:4. Though my broker tends to didn't fill me in exactly though, but that's that. So one of the broker got me 1:3, and the other one got me 1:4. So then that's that. So that's actually it, right? Have your SL above. This was very clean displacement. Then use 9:30 as your entry. Use the 9:30 as your entry. That 9:30 key level, you can use the 9:30 key level as your entry while dropping on a lower time frame. Let me shift it so that you'll be seeing the 9:30. So This is actually a good setup if you will be like using it, waiting for it to form, and then take trade from it. So that 9:30 drawing it close. Let me get this. Let me get this. And then I posted the trade on X, formerly known as Twitter. So that's that. So targeting you can use this as your entry and target this place. You can drop lower again. So that was actually it for me on Friday. That's actually how the trade worked for me. So I'm going to explain US 30 on my next video, how I took it and all that, and how December price action is. So stay safe.